When I started making baskets over 30 years ago, I wasn't trying to be an artist or whatever. I was just really, I thought it was cool to be able to go into the forest and create something out of nothing. I mean, things that everybody said was just junk and, to be discarded. I loved it. I mean, to be able to take like vines and foliage and bark and branches and create things that people could use and thought was beautiful. There's nothing like it. But over the years, it became a lot more than just about making baskets. For me, I realized that my time in the forest, harvesting my materials, was really a deep place of connection for me to the beauty of the natural world, and really a place that I could escape the busyness and stress of my everyday life and just reconnect with who I really am. I started seeing nature not just as a source of materials, but really as an endless source of inspiration and life for me that awakened the uniqueness of my own creativity and drew me into this incredible, unexpected journey. Over the years, I've taught literally hundreds of people how to make baskets, and I've noticed that my students progress a whole lot faster than I ever did in my journey because they have the benefit of all the years of experience and passion that I have inside me being compressed into a format on their journey that made their making journey a whole lot faster and a whole lot more fulfilling and in a shorter amount of time than I ever had to go through. I created my natural basketry school because I wanted to give every person who was passionate about connecting with nature and who wanted to make things with sustainable natural materials the benefit of being able to learn quickly and easily while having me right by their side to answer all their questions, to look at their work, and also to connect with other makers who are on the same journey, no matter where they are in the world. To be able to log in and learn in the comfort of their own home any time of day or night with up-close video instruction and written materials. Listen, it's priceless. It's the course, honestly, that I wish I had when I was starting out so many years ago. And the best part is we're seeing makers all over the world wake up to the creativity and passion that was always inside of them, but never had a way to get out until now. And for me, that is priceless. Hey, if you've always wanted to make baskets out of natural materials and would like to make your journey a whole lot faster and a whole lot more fulfilling than it has been on your own, then I want to invite you to join me inside our Natural Basketry School. It's affordable, it's accessible, and I'd love to teach you everything I know and help you make the baskets that you always dreamed you could, even if you've never made anything in your life. Hey, I hope you see you inside.